Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to update the app or a procedure to update the YouTube application on your device. So in order to update your YouTube application, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you want to do is you have to understand this actually depends on the type of device that you're using. So if you're using an Android device, you want to go to your respective Play Store. So type in Play Store and on the search bar, type in YouTube. And over here you should be able to find these update button. You could see, tap on the update, and this is the way you could update. Make sure to complete the steps, and you could also restart the device after which for the smooth functioning. And for the iOS device, if you want to update, you want to go to the App Store and type in YouTube and click on upload or offload. This is the way you could update the app or the YouTube application on your device. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.